Scene script. Have you ever wondered how your body manages to maintain balance and respond to external stimuli all on its own? It's a question that has fascinated scientists and medical professionals for centuries. And the answer lies in a complex, intricate system tucked away within the depths of our bodies, the endocrine system. The endocrine system is our body's very own chemical messaging system. It's like a vast network of telephones, each one dialing up different organs and tissues, delivering crucial messages in the form of hormones. These hormones, chemical substances produced in the body, regulate everything from our moods to our metabolism, making them integral to our everyday life. Imagine a busy city with traffic flowing smoothly, thanks to an organized network of traffic signals. That's how our endocrine system functions, guiding the traffic of hormones between cells and ensuring the body runs like a well-oiled machine. Now you might be wondering, who controls these traffic signals? The endocrine system is made up of several key players, each with their unique roles. These include the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, the thyroid, the parathyroids, the adrenal glands, the pineal body, the reproductive glands, and the pancreas. The hypothalamus, often considered the master controller, plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's internal balance, or homeostasis. It works in tandem with the pituitary gland, a pea-sized organ at the base of the brain, often dubbed the master gland because it controls the secretion of hormones from other glands. Then we have the thyroid and parathyroids, tucked away in our neck, regulating our body's metabolism and calcium levels respectively. The adrenal glands sit atop our kidneys, managing our stress response, while the pineal body, nestled deep within the brain, controls our sleep patterns. The reproductive glands and the pancreas, meanwhile, regulate sexual function and blood sugar levels respectively. Each gland, each hormone, has a specific role to play, working together in a symphony of chemical messages that keep our bodies functioning. Dive deeper with us into the world of these extraordinary glands and understand how they shape our everyday life. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland, often known as the master glands, are where our journey begins. These two structures, despite their small size, have a colossal responsibility in our body. Nestled deep within the brain, they serve as the command center of our endocrine system. Let's start with the hypothalamus. It's about the size of an almond, but don't let its size fool you. This tiny structure is the ultimate multitasker. It maintains a constant check on the body's internal conditions, from temperature to hunger and thirst. When it detects a change, it responds by sending signals to the rest of the body. It achieves this primarily through the production and release of hormones, which act as the body's chemical messengers. Some of these hormones include thyrotropin-releasing hormone, corticotropin-releasing hormone, and gonadotropin-releasing hormone. These hormones are the conductors, orchestrating a symphony of bodily functions. Just beneath the hypothalamus sits the pituitary gland, often referred to as the master gland, due to its pivotal role in hormone regulation. About the size of a pea, this gland is divided into two segments, the anterior and posterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary produces and releases hormones like growth hormone, thyroid-stimulating hormone, and adrenocorticotropic hormone, among others. These hormones regulate growth, metabolism, and stress responses. The posterior pituitary, on the other hand, doesn't produce hormones. Instead, it acts as a storage and release site for hormones produced by the hypothalamus. These include oxytocin, which plays a role in childbirth and bonding, and vasopressin, which helps regulate water balance in the body. In a beautiful dance of biochemical signals, the hypothalamus and pituitary gland work together to ensure a harmonious balance within our body. They regulate a wide range of bodily functions, from growth and development to metabolism and stress responses. As we can see, these two small structures play a big role in maintaining our body's homeostasis. This delicate balance is crucial for our health and well-being, highlighting the importance of these master controllers in our endocrine system. Moving on from the master controllers, let's explore the other players in the endocrine system. We'll start with the thyroid gland, an elegant butterfly-shaped organ located in the front of the neck. This gland produces hormones like thyroxine and triiodothyronine, which regulate our body's metabolic rate, heart and digestive function, muscle control, brain development, and bone maintenance. Next up are the parathyroid glands. These four tiny glands sit behind the thyroid. They produce parathyroid hormone, which plays a pivotal role in regulating the body's calcium levels. Without the right amount of calcium, our nerves, muscles, and bones wouldn't function properly. Now, let's travel a bit south to the adrenal glands. These two triangular-shaped glands sit atop our kidneys. They're split into two parts, the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. The adrenal cortex produces hormones like cortisol, which helps our body respond to stress, and aldosterone, which helps control blood pressure. The adrenal medulla, on the other hand, produces adrenaline and noradrenaline, preparing our body for the fight-or-flight response. Lastly, we have the pineal body, a small pinecone-shaped gland located deep within the brain. This gland is the body's sleep regulator, producing melatonin, a hormone that helps control our sleep and wake cycles. Every hormone these glands produce is like a key, fitting into the specific lock of the cells they target. They initiate or halt various body functions, maintaining a delicate balance that keeps us healthy. These glands, though smaller and lesser known, are equally crucial for our body's smooth functioning. They are the unsung heroes of our body, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep us going. So the next time you find yourself sprinting to catch a bus, remember to thank your adrenal glands. Or when you wake up refreshed after a good night's sleep, appreciate your pineal body. Because every part of our endocrine system, big or small, plays a vital role in our overall health. Finally, we come to the specialists of the endocrine system, the reproductive glands and the pancreas. These are the unsung heroes, playing crucial roles in our bodies, from reproduction to metabolism. Let's start with the reproductive glands. In males, these are the testes, located in the scrotum. They're responsible for producing testosterone, a hormone that plays a key role in the development of male reproductive tissues, such as the testes and prostate, and secondary sexual characteristics like increased muscle and bone mass, and the growth of body hair. In females, the reproductive glands are the ovaries, nestled in the pelvic cavity. They produce two primary hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics like breasts, endometrium, and regulation of the menstrual cycle. Progesterone, on the other hand, prepares the body for pregnancy and regulates the menstrual cycle along with estrogen. Now let's shift our focus to the pancreas, a leaf-shaped organ that sits behind the stomach. This organ is a bit of an overachiever, functioning as both an endocrine and exocrine gland. Its endocrine function involves the production of two important hormones, insulin and glucagon. Insulin is the traffic cop of the body, directing glucose, our body's primary energy source, into cells from the bloodstream. When there's too much glucose in the bloodstream, insulin steps in to store it for later use. Glucagon is the partner in crime, stepping in when glucose levels drop too low, prompting the liver to release stored glucose back into the bloodstream. In essence, the pancreas maintains the body's balance of glucose, which is vital for our energy needs. The reproductive glands, meanwhile, are key players in the perpetuation of life itself, ensuring the continuation of our species. So the endocrine system isn't just about general body functions, but also about reproduction and metabolism. It's a complex, intricate system where each gland, each hormone, plays a part in maintaining the delicate balance that keeps us healthy and functioning. But what happens when this finely tuned system encounters a glitch? Well, like any other complex machinery, the endocrine system can also face a few hiccups, leading to disorders. One common example is diabetes, often caused by the pancreas not producing enough insulin or the body not effectively using the insulin it does produce. This can lead to high blood sugar levels, frequent urination, thirst, and hunger. Then we have thyroid disorders, where the thyroid gland either produces too much hormone, leading to hyperthyroidism, or too little, resulting in hyperthyroidism. Symptoms can range from unexplained weight loss or gain to fatigue and depression. Adrenal insufficiency, another disorder, occurs when the adrenal glands don't produce enough cortisol, leading to fatigue, muscle weakness, and loss of appetite. All these disorders may seem daunting, but remember, many are manageable with proper treatment. And a deeper understanding of the endocrine system's anatomy and physiology can help us manage them more effectively. Even though these disorders can be daunting, understanding the underlying anatomy and physiology can help in managing them effectively. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the endocrine system. What have we learned? We've delved into the intricate world of the endocrine system, dissecting its complex structures and functions. We've discovered the master controllers, the hypothalamus and pituitary, coordinating the body's hormonal orchestra. We've explored the roles of the thyroid, parathyroids, adrenals, and pineal body, each playing their unique parts in this symphony of hormones. We've then turned our attention to the specialists, the pancreas, ovaries, and testes, which have dual roles as both endocrine and exocrine glands. And finally, we've learned about the disorders that can occur when this system is out of balance, disrupting the body's homeostasis. The endocrine system, in all its complexity, is an essential cog in the machinery of life. It's an elegant dance of hormones and glands, a testament to the marvel that is the human body. Remember, your body is a marvel of intricate systems working together. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the amazing human body.